No clouds at all. No clouds whatsoever. High noon. Okay folks, it's 3.5 hours later. This thing's been running. I did all kinds of crazy stuff too, I'll tell you, but check it out. The sky is deeper blue right there, and then it starts to turn to gray. This thing is working. Well, I'm convinced it's working. The entire concept behind everything is getting the electrical connection from the middle of the earth to the pipes. That's it. So since I didn't have enough, this is just ground. It's plugged into the wall, but it's only ground. So since I don't have enough of these to wrap around every pipe, I connected the water to the ground and the pipes to the water. That's it. Of course, I'm playing the sound of the sun. I got some Orgonite in here. I got quartz crystals. I got silicon, shungite, magnetite sand, Carwell's chi generator. Beep, 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 beep. And then down here I got some Orgonite pyramids with activator discs in there, and I just did everything I could. It's nothing more than connecting the electrical from the middle of the earth to the pipes. Okay, this is Orgonite Austin. I love you. Bye.